21st, write a Python program to remove unwanted characters from a given string. Unwanted characters nothing but a special characters, at the rate of hash dollar. Okay, so like that characters I want to remove in a string. Okay, simple. It's like a day program. First we will do it another way. It's equal to input and the string. Take char is equal to here. Uh, so these strings at the rate of comma uh, backslash comma dollar. Okay, hash comma. Okay, these strings. Okay, I want to remove these strings. If the string contains these characters, I want to remove that one. Okay, simple one. Find the length of the string. N is equal to length of x here. Okay, x, x just you have to use C plus method simple for I in char. Let me no need of length here. Okay, for this one for I in char means this one. Okay, so for I in char x is equal to x dot replace method. You have to use it. Replace method. First parameter is the I one. Okay, this one I comma replace with empty space here. Okay, empty space simple text. Okay, so take it no need of length here. Print the original string here. Print original string x here. Okay, execute it. Enter some string with special characters like hello, shift at the rate of dollar how. Okay, backslash or okay and hash u. Okay, so I want to take out these special characters now. Observe hello, how are you? Print. Oh, okay. I'll try print it here. Okay, simple. Just exit out again. Hello dollar hash hash how uh so see hello how that's it. Switching layers starting over here. Okay, okay, simple one. So practice this 21 again. So practice these 21 exercises. There are some more examples I have given. Solutions also given for that example string exam exercises. Okay, and just but I did not explain that the remaining. But if you practice this 21, you will get that 14 exercises also. Okay, okay, that's it.